2.56 billion. That's the number of users YouTube has on tap, ready for businesses like yours to tap into. It's not just about throwing ads out there and hoping for the best. It's about smart plays, strategic moves, and getting your brand in front of eyes that matter. This video, it's your playbook. We're going beyond the basics of YouTube ads. We're talking growth, brand development, and turning views into value. If you're ready to level up your game and get serious about growth, you're in the right spot. YouTube isn't just a video platform. It's a bustling marketplace for attention. And for businesses that know how to navigate it, it's a treasure trove. Here's a number to chew on. Over 2 billion logged-in users visit YouTube each month. That's a third of the internet, my friend. And they're not just passing time, they're actively engaging, with the average YouTube session clocking in at around 40 minutes. That's 40 minutes of prime real estate for your brand to make an impact. But here's where it gets really interesting. YouTube isn't just where people watch videos. It's where they go to make decisions. It's the second largest search engine, sure, but it's also a trusted advisor. Before they buy, people watch reviews, how-tos, and product launches. They're looking for solutions, and with the right YouTube ad strategy, your business could be the solution they find first. Now, let's talk about the power of storytelling. YouTube gives you a canvas to paint your brand story in vivid color. It's not just about logos and taglines. It's about connecting, about creating a narrative that sticks with your audience. Whether you're a no-nonsense professional service or a brand with a sense of humor, YouTube is where your brand voice can truly come to life. It's about creating a memorable experience that turns viewers into customers and customers into advocates. And remember, YouTube's algorithm favors content that engages, so when you craft your message, make it count. Make it so good that viewers can't help but share it. That's free marketing, and it's powerful. In the end, it's about leveraging YouTube's vast audience, understanding its role as a decision-making tool, and using its storytelling potential to not just sell a product, but to build a brand. That's how you turn views into value and browsers into buyers. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. Diving straight into YouTube ad formats, think of each type as a key player in your marketing playbook, each with a specific role that, when executed correctly, can score big for your business goals. Skippable in-stream ads are the team players that get your brand in the game. Viewers have the option to skip after 5 seconds, so make those first moments count to pique interest and boost brand awareness. Non-skippable in-stream ads demand attention for their full 15-second play. They're the power players for delivering your must-see content and driving messages that resonate and stick with your audience. Bumper ads are your quick strike specialist. At just 6 seconds and unskippable, they're designed to hit hard and fast, perfect for memorable taglines and reinforcing your brand in burst. Outstream ads are the mobile maneuverers, appearing on partner sites and apps, playing silently until interacted with. They extend your play beyond YouTube, ideal for broadening your reach with a less intrusive approach. Masthead ads are the primetime headliners, occupying the top spot on YouTube's homepage. They're the showstoppers for when you're launching something big and want to capture widespread attention. Overlay ads are the strategic support, offering a subtle yet clickable banner at the bottom of videos. They're your assist for driving traffic without interrupting the viewer's experience. In-feed ads are the precision-targeted players, showing up in search results or on the homepage, mingling seamlessly with organic content. They're the specialist in driving conversations from an audience already on the lookout for content like yours. Each ad format serves a strategic purpose: skippable and non-skippable in-stream for awareness, bumper and overlay for engagement, and in-feed for driving action. By matching the ad format to your business objective, like a tech brand using bumpers for a teaser or a fashion outlet using masthead for a flash sale, you're setting up your campaign for the win. Setting clear objectives for your YouTube campaigns isn't just important, it's your roadmap to success. Whether you're aiming for brand awareness or driving sales, your goals dictate your moves. When you're selecting the right ad format, it's like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a light bulb, right? Same deal here. If you're about getting your brand name out there, those skippable in-stream ads are like your billboards on the digital highway. But if you're looking to convert, then in-feed ads are your golden tickets, catching users right as they're searching for related content. Now, let's talk bidding strategies and budget. YouTube's ad platform is like an auction house. You're bidding for eyes on your ads. You've got options: cost per click, CPC, if you want to pay only when someone clicks, or cost per thousand impressions, CPM, if you're looking to maximize exposure. And remember, this isn't a spend it and forget it scenario. You've got to keep your eye on campaigns, tweak and adjust. It's like tuning a guitar. You've got to keep adjusting until you hit that perfect note. Whether you've got a wallet that's bursting or you're on a shoestring budget, YouTube's got you covered. You can start small and scale up. The key? Stay sharp, monitor your campaigns, and optimize. That's how you turn views into value and browsers into buyers. It's important to zero in on targeting, because spraying and praying with your ads is like throwing darts in the dark, a waste of time and money. YouTube's got a targeting toolbox that's a dream for marketers. You can pinpoint by age, gender, location, interest, you name it. It's like having a GPS for your ads. You can navigate straight to your audience. Now, let's talk about getting back in touch with those who've already shown interest. That's where remarketing comes into play. Imagine someone's watched your video or clicked on your ad but didn't convert. With remarketing, you get a second shot. You can tailor your messages to hit them with what resonates, nudging them from just browsing to take my money. Whether you're after new eyes or wooing back the ones that got away, YouTube's targeting and remarketing is like having a honing missile for customer engagement. Use it wisely and watch your campaigns hit the bullseye. Your ad content needs to pack a punch right out of the gate. Attract with an opener that turns heads. Brand your message early so it sticks. Connect through storytelling that resonates. And direct with a call to action that's clear and compelling. Visuals should grab the eye. Sounds should pique curiosity. And your pitch must be memorable. And that call to action? It's your closer. Make it count. In the fast-paced digital arena, you need to give viewers a reason not just to click, but to act. That's converting views into gains, my friends. When you're sizing up your YouTube ads performance, you're looking at a trio of KPIs: view count, watch time, and click-through rate, or CTR. These aren't just vanity metrics. They're the pulse of your campaign's health. View count is your first handshake with the audience. It's how many times eyes have landed on your ad. But it's the watch time that tells you if people are actually sticking around for your pitch. The longer they watch, the warmer the lead. CTR is where the rubber meets the road. It measures how compelling your ad is by the percentage of viewers who click on your call to action. That's your ad doing its job, turning viewers into visitors. Now, YouTube Analytics is your command center. It breaks down the demographics, age, gender, location, and even tells you what devices your viewers are using. Are they on mobile or desktop? That's intel for tailoring your content. But here's the clincher: audience retention graphs. They show you the exact moment viewers drop off. That's your cue to tweak your content. Maybe the intro's too long, or the hook's not hooking. And don't forget about A/B testing. Run 2 versions of your ad. See which one's a hit, and then push that one harder. It's like choosing the best player to take the shot. Optimization is a constant game of testing, measuring, and refining. Use these insights to sharpen your strategy, and you'll see your numbers climb. That's the kind of success that doesn't just look good on paper, it feels good in the bank. You've got the tools, the strategies, and the insider know-how to make YouTube not just a platform, but a launch pad for your brand's skyrocketing success. Remember, 2.56 billion users are out there, and they're not just numbers. they're potential leads, future fans, and the fuel for your business growth. It's not about hoping your message sticks, it's about ensuring it does. So take these insights, the nitty-gritty of ad formats, targeting finesse, and the art of click-worthy content, and put them to work. YouTube's a gold mine, and you've got the map. It's time to dig deep, strike it rich with views that turn into value, and browsers that become buyers. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. This way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.